Everyone, in this video we will see that how to issue and return book via barcode scanning in OpenEduCat. You can log into the system with your username and your password. Then you can go to login. In this one you can go to your menu and then you can go to library barcode menu, click on that. You can go to issue tab and click on that. In here you can scan your media unit ID barcode. Your media unit ID will be displayed on this tab, and then the next thing you can go to your library card ID and you can scan your barcode for that. Now you can go to your menu back on. You can go to your library to double check that book has been issued using barcode scanning. You can go to all media tab. You can go to media units. You can go to your media unit ID, click on that, and you can double check that book has been issued in the status. Now to return that book using barcode scanning, you can go back to your menu, then you can go to your barcode again. In library barcode menu, you can go to return, click on that. You can scan your media unit ID barcode again. Looks like that's been done. You can go back to your menu. You can go to your library. You can go to your all media. You can go to your media units. And you can double check on your media unit ID. Click on that. And you can see that return done. Now at last, you can go to your menu back on. You can go to that student's profile in OpenEduCat students menu. When you are in the students menu, you can go to individual student profile, click on that. Once you are into students profile, you can go to library tab and you can double check in media movements that status on the library book returned on. This is how you can issue and return book via using barcode scanning in OpenEduCat. Thanks so much for your time.